In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add category pages to the menu in Wix. This is a quick and easy process that allows you to make your Wix website more user-friendly by organizing your content into categories. Let's dive in and make it a seamless experience for your visitors. First, you'll need to start by heading over to your Wix dashboard. This is your control center for managing your website, and you'll be spending a bit of time here as you make these changes. Once you're at the dashboard, your next move is to click on Blog, and then on to Categories. This section allows you to manage how your content is categorized, an essential step if you're looking to create a more navigable site for your audience. If you haven't already established your categories, or if you're looking to tweak them, now is a great time to either create new ones or edit existing categories. Keep in mind that well-defined categories can greatly improve the user experience by making it easier for visitors to find the content that most interests them. After setting up your categories, it's time to get the URL for the category page. To do this, simply click on the category you want to link to your menu. A preview of the category page should appear, and from there, you can copy its URL. This URL will be crucial in the upcoming steps, so be sure to have it ready. With the URL in hand, your next destination is the Wix editor. Here, you'll have access to a variety of tools to customize your website's appearance and structure. In the editor, navigate to the Manage Menu section. This is where you'll be able to add, remove, or edit the links that appear in your website's main menu. To add your category page, look for the three dots next to the menu item where you'd like to place your category link. Clicking these dots will give you a few options, one of which is Change Link. This is what you want to select. Afterward, a new set of options will appear. Choose Web Address from this list. This option will allow you to insert the URL you copied earlier. Now it's time to paste the category's URL into the designated field. Make sure it's accurate to avoid any broken links that might frustrate your visitors. Once you've pasted the correct URL, simply click Done, and your changes will be saved. And there you have it. You've successfully added a category page to your Wix menu. By doing so, you've not only improved the navigation of your site, but also created a more organized way for your visitors to engage with your content. With these easy steps, your website will now have a more polished and professional look. Thanks for stopping by, and happy editing!